I just finished getting ready for the day. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing today. Don't mind the office, it's a complete mess. But I'm feeling really bloated today, so I wore this like high-waisted ripped jeans. Let me turn on the light. I wore these high-waisted jeans that kind of cover the tummy. Some slides, snake slides, this really cute high top tee, forget where it's from, and yeah, my hair is like really staticky for some reason. I don't know if the camera can pick up on it, but it's like super staticky. And I tried like hairspray, I tried like smoothing creams or whatever, and nothing's really working, so I'm just gonna roll with it. And yeah, I'm gonna make my morning drink. I usually start off every morning with apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water. It's supposed to have amazing benefits. And if you're gonna do it too, make sure you get the one that says with the mother, like the organic one. I know it's weird that it says that, but that's what it needs to say. The house is slowly coming along. We just got this beautiful carpet. I don't know if you could see. It has gorgeous details. We really wanted something that is like light, but not too light that it would like get dark. You know what I mean? So it's coming along slowly but surely. I'm probably gonna get rid of this because I don't really love it. Put something else there, like a different light. We still have to get a TV console, table, whatever it's called. And our coffee table is absolutely gorgeous. It's a concrete coffee table that we love, but I am really far behind with designing it just because there's still so many other things around the house that need to be done. It's a complete mess right now, but I don't want to just buy things for the sake of buying them. I want to actually love, you know, every little piece that I, you know, put together in this home. So as of right now, our living room looks like this. And I'm really excited about this carpet because we can finally go barefoot. All right, guys, I have to show you the sunset right now. Unbelievable. Like, what? Wow. It's gorgeous. Like, so much more gorgeous in person. I wish you could see this. It's beautiful. Wow. I really wish I could sit out here and watch this, but I gotta go make dinner. I'm having a little bit of soup, French onion soup. So cozy. Does anybody else put croutons in their soup? Like, is it anybody else's must? Okay. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna heat up some oil in here. Organic canola oil. And then I'm gonna dip the chicken in flour and fry it for a little bit. I am not gonna lie, for a second, I know that this isn't a healthy dinner because the chicken's being fried, but to be honest, it's getting late and we didn't eat yet. And I really need something yum and quick and kind of to satisfy our cravings because we are hungry. All right, so quick little update. Green beans are ready. I put some balsamic vinegar and some sesame seeds. Quinoa's ready and the fried chicken's ready. Should look something like this. And then I'm gonna toss it right now with duck sauce, but let me take a bite. Hot. Hot. But it's ready. I'm gonna take sweet and sour duck sauce as well as Thai sweet chili sauce. These two together are the bomb. I got a little help. So you just want to have like your pan hot. Just drop it in there, lower it because you don't want it to burn. I really just eyeball it. Sweet chili. Just maybe a little bit more. Yum. Okay. And then I add the chicken right away. Really, you're just warming up the sauce and mixing it into the chicken. The best way to do it is to really, when you're starting off with the chicken, dip it in egg, then dip it in flour, and then do it. But I was, kind of trying to do this quickly today, so I just dipped it in the flour. It's still really delicious, but... So yeah, now I'm just gonna be warming this up. If you want to add any additional spices, you can. Personally, I don't, just because the duck sauce and the sweet chili have so much flavor. So I just do this, warm it up, and then I'll be making our plates. And you gotta call your hubby now, because if you call him now, it really means that he'll come here in 10 minutes. Rel, the food's ready. Start the timer. I'm gonna put the quinoa away while I wait for him to come. Told you how the drill is. It's funny because when someone tells me food is ready, I'm literally jumping out of my seat and running for it. Okay, this is our dinner. His and hers. The chicken, green beans. Yeah, don't mind the messy coffee table. Like I said, I'm in the process of designing it. And of course, barbecue sauce and some lemon juice.
Distributing our product. I'm sorry.
You're asking me to close the deal before you even pitched. That's a rather bold move, just like this.
It's not bold. Smart business for both of us.
My brother used to love the horses. Me, not so much. This place smells like shit.
You're fine. You struck while Camilla was in prison because you think she's vulnerable. Let me assure you she's not.
And yet the blood of a dozen dead Mayates taints the waters, while I benefit from the fruits of a deal.
I just got my blood taken, and let me tell you, I don't know, it's just, I used to be able to look at it, but I'm not able to do it anymore. I used to literally not care, not be afraid, and I'm not sure what happened, but in the last 2 or 3 years, I just cannot look, and I get so weak when I get my blood taken. I just feel like I'm about to faint every time. But anyway, what I wanted to say is that you have to be so grateful for your health, because while I was waiting in line at the lab, I couldn't help but think wow, I'm so grateful, I'm so lucky. Thank God a million times for my health, for my loved ones' health, because there's a lot of sick people out there, and obviously this isn't news to anybody, but I just feel like sometimes we get caught up on the little things that really don't matter. And it's really important. It's really important to just kind of keep things into in perspective and to realize that nothing is really as important as your health. So whatever challenges you're facing, whatever difficulties you're facing, you know, everything is manageable. Obviously some things are super hard, but everything is manageable if you're healthy and if you have good energy. You know, my grandma used to say anything's possible, but when you're not healthy, you're very, very dependent, and that's when it becomes really, really difficult, you know. So I'm just kind of taking this experience today at the lab. I'm taking it in just to, you know, thank God a million times. I woke up with the biggest like neck ache. I don't know, I think I like pulled a muscle or something. Oh my God, it sucks because I already know this is gonna affect my entire day, possibly the next few days, because it really, really hurts. Anyways, today is one of these like boring days, but I'm gonna make it fun. So I need to do grocery shopping. I like to do grocery shopping on Wednesday, kind of like midweek when we're kind of out of everything, or slowly starting to run out of things. So I usually do my grocery shopping on Wednesday. Plus I hate going on like Sundays or Fridays or Thursdays, because those actually end up being like the busiest days at the grocery store. So I'm actually going to Costco today, which I haven't done in so long. And Costco is always such a problem because I go in thinking I'm just gonna do this and that, like I have a list, and then a lot of times I'm like, well, this looks good, that looks good. So hopefully gonna be on the lookout for that. What's it called? I don't know why my hair dried so nicely. I went to bed with my hair wet last night, and usually when I do that, I wake up with like the biggest frizz ball. Like I literally hate the way my hair dries if I sleep on it wet. But yeah, turned out pretty nice. I mean, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see, but it doesn't look frizzy from here. I also have to get my nails done today. I'm always so last minute with like booking my nails appointment because I kind of hate where I go. And I can't really find any other place that does what I like. I do dip powder. By the way, I'm so sorry. I did not realize how loud my air purifier is. It's not even that loud. Where's gun? Okay, sorry. It's not even that loud in real life. For some reason, over the phone, it's like super loud. But speaking of an air purifier, I'm gonna go on like a 2-second rant here. It literally changed mine and my husband's life because we live on a main street. So, you know, there's constant dust coming in. Like I'm cleaning 24/7 and it doesn't matter because there's just constant dust coming in. And obviously living in LA, the air is like not clean. It's a kind of a well-known thing. So, you know, we finally did it. We got an air purifier. We got the best one. It was a lot of money, but it was worth every single dime. We didn't get like a fancy looking one. We didn't like, there's different types. We just went for the best one. And let me tell you, everything has gotten better. Like our sleep quality, our day-to-day, we spend a lot of time at home, especially now because it's COVID, but also just in general, like, you know, we're always in and out of the house. We don't have like a 9 to 5. So we're in the house a lot and we're breathing this like air a lot. And we kind of figured we already are breathing such bad air outside that we might as well be breathing good air when we're home, which is at least 8 hours a day when we're sleeping, and then obviously a bit more. So if you guys ever thought of getting an air purifier, do it. Like, do it. I've got to change right now. I have my hairdresser coming to my house to dye my roots because, yes, I get white hairs. I know, I'm 26 years old and I have a ton of whites. It's genetic, but it's all good. Just gonna put on a white t-shirt because I like this white t-shirt. I don't want to get this ruined. And thank God she's been able to come here during COVID. The salon did start opening up. I just don't really feel comfortable yet going. So thank God she's able to come to my house. But other than that, it's been a pretty productive day. I still haven't made dinner. I'm gonna make like a potato slash sweet potato slash zucchini and other vegetable stew with like chicken, and then we'll probably eat that either over rice or like mini pasta. Mini pasta is like our favorite. It's like those like little pasta balls. So yum. I'm gonna change and then I'm gonna have my hair colored, so I'm excited. I wanted to pop on here and talk about something that I've been thinking about lately, which is walking your own journey and being so happy and so complete with that journey that you're walking. You know, I don't think that it's kind of funny. Like, I do think that everybody should be happy with what they have, but I also think that there is a sense of like beauty in not fully being satisfied with something or a situation, because that's where you start growing and that's where you start pushing for more and getting motivated for more. Like, you know, our world really started as like nothing. You know, it was just dirt and maybe grass. I mean, who knows? And we have all really like built it from the ground up. And, you know, just like looking at my window and seeing cars and seeing homes, like buildings, and seeing electricity, it's like, wow, you know, the reason why we have all of that is because there was someone out there who was longing for more. You know, when you long for more, it's really important to be okay with walking your own journey as you make your way to that goal. You know, I feel like this is kind of like a classic topic, and I don't feel like diving into like this particular issue, but you know, the whole issue of like comparing ourselves to other people. I don't care who you are, we all do it. You know, I know even like the most rich and famous do it because they've admitted it so many times, and I know so many successful people that have said the same. Like, it's not just like any random person on the street that's like, oh, like they're doing it because they're not where they want to be. Like, no, also a lot of people that are where they want to be in life, they still compare themselves to other people. And you know, this is something that I just try to like be good about with myself. Like, I try to be conscious of it, which is like, just walk your own journey. You know, like, just because someone became, just as an example, an author through going to college and then getting a master's degree and then being an intern, like, that doesn't mean that that's the only way to become an author or an editor. Just as a random example, you know, there's so many different routes to take to get to where you want to be. And a lot of times, you know, when we aspire to be where someone else is, we kind of try to follow their exact journey and kind of like, you know, like copy what they're doing. And it's like, you don't have to do that. You know, you can find your own route into the destination that you want. You know, there's different routes you can take to get to the same destination.